We have opened up Macs to the world, and more than 500,000 people registered. We've created a whole new way to work, Illustrator on the iPad.
I always urge young creatives to learn all aspects of the business.
Now it's time for my favorite feature of the day. In Photoshop, we now have sky replacement.
I have my camera with me every single moment.
We're taking filter technology to the next level. We call them neural filters.
I look like I'm in a Belgian funk group.
But creating captions has traditionally required a lot of effort and time. With speech to text, we've made it easy.
No one can be like you. That's the power of creativity.
We've taken some of the greatest features and technologies from our flagship products to power a set of fun and easy-to-use mobile apps.
Creating work that brings awareness to a social cause that's important to you is a great way to serve.
Together, let's unleash creativity for all.
Cheers.